Here comes the geese. Hey, get up here. Watch your step. Watch your step.
Okay. Now they come. Now they come.
All right.
Oh, they come. Oh, it's good.
Where you going?
It's good.
You gotta feed them. Watch your step. See? There's a goose.
Where is it? Papa. Ooh. Ooh. Papa. They're coming to me. Ah. Hey, this one was. Huh.
Watch your step. See, there's a hole right there.
Whoa. Is they coming to me?
That's because you got bread. Of course they're coming to you.
Hey. Hey. It's fun too. It's fun to me. It wants more. Ah, it's up. What's that? You can buy your camera. Hey, goose. Hey, goose. Hey, goose. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Ah.
Hey, go down by the lake.
Okay.
Watch that hole.
Okay.
The one in front of you.
Promise me?
Uh-oh. It's starting to rain. It's sunny and rainy.
Yeah. Ooh. Electric.
He's trying to get that big piece out of your hand. Look at him.
Yeah, look at his tongue. Hey, goose. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, goose.
Here, feed him down there.
Hey, goose. Oh! She bit me. Ow.
She bit you?
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. It doesn't hurt. It just scared you, that's all.
She bit me. She bit me, Papa.
Oh, you gotta keep throwing the bread.
Before the goose taught me. Ah.
Come on, go, go, go. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
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 Come on, get out of the yard.
Yeah, get out of here.
You fertilized our lawn enough. Go.
Go.
Get.
Get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Neither. Go, go. My turn. My turn. Ooh, ah.
Max,
What? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
get over there where I can film you. Get up there where I can get you in the picture.
Okay. Oh, whoa.
Don't be afraid of him. Walk right up to him.
No, I'm afraid of them.
Don't be afraid of him.
Yes, I am afraid of them.
Why? Why are you afraid of them?
I'm afraid of them.
Why? They're not going to bite you.
Yes. No, one duck biting me.
Oh, one duck bit you already, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Get back over there.
I want to get some more.
Did you have fun feeding the geese?
I want to get some more.
What'd that goose do to you?
He bites me.
Where'd he bite you? Show me on the picture where he bit you.
He bites me on my fingers.
Got you in your finger?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's scare him out of here. Go! Yeah!
Yeah!
Yeah, geese!
Yeah!
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 Get!
Get.
Watch it, there's cucky everywhere.
Oh. Yeah!
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 We're all done with you. Go! Go!
Yeah!
Go!
Go.
Watch your step.
What? Yeah! 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 Yeah!
Okay, say bye-bye, geese. We'll feed you again later.
Yeah!
Grab that plastic. I'll get it. Come on. Watch your step. Okay. Don't shake it too much. Just bring it to me. All right. Bye.
I can feed it later.
Yay.
Yeah, we feed all the geese.
Okay. Thanks for the garbage. All right. Well, that was nice of you, Max. Look at all those happy geese. You fed them nice.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.
Come again later.
Come again later. Go home. Bye-bye.
Yee.